This is Symphony Duet cooling fan. I bought it from Flipkart. Here is the price 5799, but Flipkart is giving the best deal. I will leave the link in the description. Go and check out it. Let's unbox it. As you can see, it is like this. We can carry easily in the car anywhere. Let's unbox it. Symphony branding is there. Duet is model. We have low, medium, high, and here are the swings and cool. We can use I think yeah, you can clearly see here. Water also you can put in this. Downside I think it will be after complete I will show you clearly after plugging. Coming to back side, you are getting the watts is 55. This is how it looks from back side. We are getting pure filters also, as you can see clearly. Low weight, easily to carry anywhere. The upside also light plastic, it is there. It is good. I will show you clearly after plugging. This stable cooling fan is comes in Symphony. I will leave the link in the description. Go and check out it. And coming to its features, we have three speeds, and then right side we have cooling with swing, only swing option. And coming to the down part, here we can see the water marking. I will show. As you can see, this is the water leveler, and it is movable. I will show you. As you can see, it is moving. So, and let's turn on. I will show you the voice also, sound of the fan. This is how it works. The noise also somehow low, not very much low, but it is okay. It's the hair is also very good. And coming to the part where we will pour the water inside. How much it can rotate, you can see. Let's stop. Coming to the best part, the water. The water we can pour easily in this. Just open it and pour the water in this. It will around easily, I hope easily it can manage 3 to 4 liters. And coming to the upside, there is nothing, just the handle to grab, and we can take it easily. We can take it in the car easily, we can. And coming to the back side, we get a water, this is filter, nothing much. We get a hole where water, here you can see, if water overloaded, it will come from this hole. That's it. Here are the model name, you can see, Duet, etc. details. Nothing much about it. That's all about it. I will show you the model number clearly. Symphony refreshing Duet table cooling fan. I will leave the link in the description. You can go ahead and check out it. I personally recommend to use big tables, but I like this because the power, the space, the room is small, so I have chosen this only as a table. It's your opinion to use whatever. I am using this as table for now.